in blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey! Alright, good morning guys. I think it's 11, I'm not sure, but I actually woke up pretty early, 8 a.m. I actually have so much plans today. I plan to go buy some gift for my friend's birthday this coming weekend, because we will be in Amsterdam, and I'm actually so excited, and I'm gonna surely vlog all of it. But yeah, I just feel so sick right now. Yesterday I deep cleaned, I made a video, I made a vlog. Yesterday I was just so happy, I was so productive yesterday, but now I'm just shattered. I'm just super duper tired and I feel sick. I was also sneezing a lot this morning. And I also feel like my body is just super heavy. Like I'm like, no way, this cannot be, because I really have so much plans. And imagine it's already like the middle of the week for weekend, so I really needed to do this. I really need to go. So maybe tomorrow is my last chance that I really need to buy a gift, buy a present, and do something, because I don't really want to do this. And maybe I'm gonna just take paracetamol tonight if I really feel like it's not gonna go away. I don't really like to just sit at home. If I already planned something, I don't really want it to be like not happening at all, because I just feel so guilty about it. But yeah, also I just cannot really do anything about it anyway. So anyways, this is my breakfast, because I don't really have an appetite. Just got coffee first thing when I woke up, but then I realized I needed like tea, because I want to be, you know, feeling a little bit better. I really need to feel better. And I just had my cinnamon bread from yesterday, and I'm also editing the vlog from yesterday, and I also feel so shitty right now. Like, so yeah, I don't feel well, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. I also feel my freaking voice changing, and I don't really like that, because that's like my signs that I'm gonna be sick. And also I have like a bad skin problems, like my pimple is coming out. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so I'm gonna just update you guys. Also, sun is shining right now, and I don't know how consistent it will be, but updates to come later. I need to finish my editing, and see you in a bit. just finished our birthday boat trip with our friend, and I got to meet her other friends as well, so it was really nice. So I'm gonna show you the room. So that's the main door. They have this mini closet and vault, very standard. I think this is the fridge. Oh yeah, here's the fridge, empty fridge. Then this is already the toilet behind this mirror, and then this is already the room. They have like this mini amenities here, and this is the rooftop, which is very sad because there's no sunlight. And then this is already our room, very classic, standard, love that. And then also mini desk and the TV, and also view here on this side. I love it. And then now here the other side, which is very nice. I love that. It's closed up for privacy. Okay, so yeah, overall I like the hotel. Actually, they have a mini cafe. I love this area over here and love it. We are now in the city, you guys. Time for our mini shopping, but first we're gonna go to the cafe that I really want, and then we're gonna meet now. And yeah, I will see you guys there. Bye.